Hey guys, it's my hairstylist Wayne. He's going to be doing my hair today. We're going to be doing a quick weave with closure. So my cap is already on, and this is the protectant from the glue that we're going to be using all over my head, and he's just going to brush it in. Talking about my hair itches so much. I'm always patting my head. So now that my full head is covered, we are going to be putting this blow dryer thing on. It's like you plug it into your blow dryer and then you use it, I guess you would, as an overhead blow dryer. It gets really hot and it blows on my ears. Sometimes I hate it. I think he popped the string. So we're gonna try putting it on with the towel. It didn't really help. I wasn't able to edit as I was underneath this, but it is what it is. It gets the job done. That's what counts.
Foreign cars switching lanes. I just gotta do my thing. It's a shame I can't.
As you can tell, this thing is hot.
Big blue beamer in a swirling lane. I'm on my way.
So finally, we can take it off. And what he's gonna do is he's gonna cut the band of the elastic cap off.
I'm on my way. Yes. Yes, I am. La, da, 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 da. It's a shame I can't trust no man.
So now he's fitting the closure to my head, and then he's gonna take the glue and glue the closure on. Sewing it on, it kind of would work, but the stuff is so hard in my hair, I don't think it would work. I don't think the needle will go through.
Solid on my 1-2. All I know is get the dough, bitch. I do what I want to. Whoa. It's a shame I can't trust no man. 007 in the stash box, ain't big blue beamer in a swirling lane. I'm on my way. Yes. It's a shame I can't trust no man.
So he's just tacking it down, make sure the closure is even. Going over with a blow dryer just to make sure that the glue has dried successfully onto the cap.
Yes, I am. La, da, 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 da.
So now he's going to lay the tracks, and he actually didn't cut the wefts. He just laid the tracks folded over each other. I'm not sure why, but it worked. And I'm just over here combing out the bundles and using the blow dryer to dry them.
Mr. Sean Brown.
Oh my God. It's a shame I can't trust no man. 007 in the stash box, ain't big blue beamer in a swerve.
I look like a mop head right now.
Yes, it's a shame I can't trust no man. 007 in the stash box, ain't big blue beamer in a swerving lanes. I'm on my way. Yes.
This did take about like 45 minutes or so.
Oh my God. It's a shame I can't trust no man when I'm pulling up. Class of Yazoo 1942, I'm pulling up. In the club, blowing dope like I ain't blowing up. Niggas talking like they did it, they ain't doing enough. I've been on the grind, got no time for a cheat shit.
It took a total of 2.5 hours to do this from start to finish with all the blow drying and everything in between.
Foreign cars switching lanes, I just gotta do my thing. It's a shame I can't trust no man. 007 in the stash box, ain't big blue beamer in a swirling lane. I'm on my way. Yes, it's a shame I can't trust no man. 007 in the stash box, ain't big blue beamer in a swerving lanes. I'm on my way.
He did use all the bundles in my hair. It's 3 bundles plus the 5x5 closure.
It's a shame I can't trust no man.
So now he's gonna be gluing down my my closure.
Ain't gotta gas it, baby girl, cause my tank full enough. No funny niggas, money getters, always good with us. I ain't sitting around cause being broke, no, I don't like that shit. Go hit the streets and get the breach and I'll be right back, bitch. Staying 10 toes solid on my 1-2. All I know is get the dough, bitch, I do what I want to. Whoa. It's a shame I can't trust no man.
I wonder what video I was editing as I did this.
In a swerving lane, I'm on my way. Yes, it's a shame I can't trust no man. 007 in the stash box, ain't big blue beamer in a swerving lanes. I'm on my way.
So here he is separating the hair that he's going to use for my baby hairs and for my, I don't know what that thing is by your ear called. I mean, it's a baby hair, but like side part. I mean, I don't know what it's called. I forgot. So here he's just hot combing the hair straight.
Mr. Sean Brown.
Oh my God. It's a shame I can't trust no man. 007 in the stash box saying big blue.
You can see here he's curving the part so it can make it like a good side part.
It's a shame I can't trust no man. 007 in the stash box saying big blue beamer in a swerving lanes. I'm on my way. Yes, yes I am. La, da, 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 da. Oh my God.
So here he just flat iron it so it can like really.
1942, I'm pulling up in the club, blowing dope like I ain't blowing up. Niggas talking like they did it, they ain't doing enough. I've been on the grind, got no time for a cheat show. I don't follow rules, look, bitch, cause I'm new leadless. Really had to hustle through the struggle and the pain. Now I'm in that brand new foreign car, I'm switching lanes. I just gotta do my thing. It's a shame I can't trust no man. 007 in the stash box saying big blue beamer in a swerving lane. I'm on my way, yes. It's a shame I can't trust no man.
So here he's squeezing out the hairs to give me a more natural hairline to define the part. Inside my baby hairs don't look super thick.
Yes I am. La, da, 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 da.
It's a shame I can't trust no man when I'm pulling up. 100 packs off from the trap, but that ain't good enough. Ain't gotta gas it, baby girl, cause my tank full enough. No funny niggas, money getters, always good with us.
I hate when he tweezes on my head, it actually hurts.
Go hit the streets and get the breach and I'll be right back, bitch. Staying 10 toes solid on my 1-2. All I know is get the dough, bitch, I do what I want to. Whoa.
So here he's curling my baby hairs with the flat iron, which is gonna help him just lay them down. I can never do this. I try, but it doesn't work for me.
No man, 007 in the stash box saying big blue beamer in a swerving lanes. I'm on my way. Yes, yes I am. La, da, 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 da.
And now he's doing more tweezing on that bottom. Sideburn? Yeah, sideburn.
Mr. Sean Brown.
Oh my God. It's a shame I can't trust no man. 007 in the stash box saying big blue beamer in a swerving lane. I'm on my way. Yes. It's a shame I can't.
So you can already see the hair is coming through.
Stash box saying big blue beamer in a swerving lanes. I'm on my way.
Look at that. Do you see that? Do you see them baby hairs, girl? Because me, I see it. The hair is looking so good. The lace is looking natural. The part is looking natural. This color just suits me. It just works. It just always clicks.
Got no time for a cheat show. I don't follow rules, look, bitch, cause I'm new leadless. Really had to hustle through the
I always look upset when I'm getting my hair done. Until it's finished.
lanes. I just gotta do my thing.
It's a shame I can't trust no man. 007 in the stash box saying big blue beamer in a swerving lane.
So he's just going through, blow drying it again before he straightens the hair out.
007 in the stash box saying big blue beamer in a swerving lanes. I'm on my way. Yes, yes I am. La, da, 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 da.
It's a shame I can't trust no man when I'm pulling up. 100 packs off from the trap, but that ain't good enough. Ain't gotta gas it, baby.
It's like 2:30 in the morning, by the way.
Niggas, money getters, always good with us. I ain't sitting around cause being broke, no, I don't like that shit. Go hit the streets and get the breach and I'll be right back, bitch. Staying 10 toes solid on my 1-2. All I know is get the dough, bitch, I do what I want to. Whoa.
It's a shame I can't trust no man. 007 in a stash box, and big blue beamer in a swerving lane. I'm on my way, yes. It's a shame I can't trust no man. 007.
Here's the part I hate. He's gonna take that stupid band and he's gonna tie it around my head, and it's gonna be so tight that I can't even think.
Yes, I am. La, da, 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 da.
I also don't know how girls get their hair done with makeup on their face. Like, I want my skin to be clean. I want my hair to be on my clean skin, not on my makeup skin. That's kind of like weird for me. Look at how tight that is. Like, why? I was just making a little video. I'll show you guys what it looks like.
It's a shame I can't trust no man.
Hair just looks effortless.
Big blue beamer in a swerving lane. I'm on my way. Yeah.
And finally, he takes that band off, and my hair is done. So I'm going to show you guys some clips. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Yes, yes I am. La, da, 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 da. Oh my God.
It's a shame I can't trust no man when I'm pulling up. Class of Yazoo 1942, I'm pulling up. In the club, blowing dope like I ain't blowing up. Niggas talking like they did it, they ain't doing enough. I've been on the grind, got no time for a cheat. I don't follow rules, look, it's cause I'm no lead. Really had to hustle through the struggle and the pain.
It's okay, we're gonna make him make the YouTube.
I just gotta do my thing.
Stash box, big blue beamer in a swerving lane. I'm on